Learn English Through Science channel, episode 2.
If you missed our first episode, go check it out first. We're building something amazing together.
And you won't want to miss a thing.
Wow, really? I can't
This will
wait.
be great. Time to harvest.
Work together. Slow and safe. This is fun. Look at the bundles. Strong work. This is so much fun. Yeah, look at all this wheat. This is the best day ever.
Time to harvest, everyone.
This is heavy. I can do it. Good job. Teamwork.
Almost home.
Keep walking. This makes corn flour.
It smells good.
We cook with it.
Patience again.
I want to taste.
Soon.
Patience again. Look at that pour.
So much grain. It's beautiful.
A fine harvest.
Lunch is ready.
Smells delicious.
I am very hungry.
Me too. Let's eat. Finally.
Soon good.
Food tastes better together.
Yes, family time.
Enjoy.
Yummy.
Very good.
Good food. This stew is delicious, isn't it?
Yes, it's wonderful.
This is delicious.
It really is so comforting. Can I have some more bread?
Of course. Here you go, sweetie.
Thank you.
And one for you.
Thanks.
The shade is cool.
I feel sleepy.
Rest is good. Work again later.
Yes.
This soup is delicious.
It really is.
And the bread is warm.
So good. Everything is perfect.
Yeah.
This bread is wonderful.
It really is.
I love it. Me too. So good.
Look, how many?
Careful.
Yes, family time.
Good job.
Look. Eggs.
How many?
Careful.
What a beautiful day.
Yes, good work. I am tired, James.
Pony jug.
Good day.
Fire keeps us warm.
And helps us cook. It is bright like stars.
Be careful.
Good fire.
Like stars. Be careful. Good fire. The sky is big. So beautiful. This is so peaceful.
It really is. Nothing like a fire to bring us together.
A spark.
Make a wish. Once upon a time,
I love stories. Tell more.
listen carefully.
Grandma is wise.
Please like this video and subscribe.
And leave a comment.
This wool becomes cloth.
Lily?
For clothes.
Be gentle.
Cuff?
Strong hands. This wool becomes cloth.
For clothes. Soft.
This makes barley flour. Good for soup.
I like soup.
Strong work.
I like Embla.
Me too! Don't stop. This makes barley flour. Good for soup.
I like Emila.
Me too.
Noah! Don't stop.
Time to feed cows.
Good animals.
They give us milk.
Time to feed cows.
Hello, cow.
You are big.
The goats are sleepy.
Good night, goats.
Animals need rest.
Like us.
Yes.
Close the gate.
Look how peaceful they are tonight.
Aye, they've had a good day.
He likes us. Best friends.
Look at them. Such peaceful creatures.
They're looking at us.
They know we care.
This is what matters.
Look how peaceful they are tonight.
They sense the calm.
Can we pet them?
They're so moved.
He likes you.
Let us be thankful.
For food?
For family.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Leave a comment. Thank you for watching.